Alright, so in this question we need to solve the equation for x. And so when we do that, we actually don't get a x equals 5 or some number, right? We're going to get an expression. So we have, let me rewrite it over here a little bit larger, x over c plus 3x over b equals a. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is get rid of these fractions. And to get rid of fractions in an equation like this is multiply both sides by the LCD. Alright, so remember the LCD is basically has everything in it that any one denominator has by itself. Right, so we got to get everything every denominator has. Alright, this denominator has C, this one has B, so therefore the LCD in this case will be BC, or CB, it doesn't matter how you want to write it. Alright, so I'm going to multiply over here by BC. And now algebra says you can't just do that without also doing it to the other side of the equals. Alright, so I'm going to multiply that through. So B times C times X over C. The C cancels the C, right? Just to make sure it's clear, I'm doing BC times X over C here. And that's going to cancel, so I'm left with BX. Alright, now I'm going to do BC times 3X over B. So let me write that. And this time the B's cancel and I'm left with 3X and a C. So plus 3CX, whatever, it doesn't matter. It's all commutative, so I can write it in whatever order. And that equals A, B, C now on this side. Alright, so we're almost there. At this point, what I need to do is factor. We realize we have an X here and an X here, so that X is common to both pieces. So if I factor out an X, I'm left with B. And then here, I'm left with 3C. Alright. And then the final step is we almost have X by itself. I have X all alone. I have one single X over here, and X is multiplied by this B plus 3C. So now if I divide both sides by B plus 3C, then this cancels this. And so this is my final expression, X equals ABC over B plus 3C. And that is the final expression that belongs here.